Question 2. So find an equation for the circle C. So fairly straightforward to get the left hand side because this is the centre of the circle. So x minus the 2 all squared plus y minus the minus 1 all squared needs to equal the radius squared. So just completing the left hand side, well, this first term is fine. Y minus minus 1 is y plus 1. We now need to get the radius squared. So I think a quick sketch helps. So we know the centre is the coordinate 2 minus 1 and this point is 4 minus 5. So looking at the x step, well, we're going from 2 to 4, so that's the length of 2. Our y step, we're going from minus 5 to minus 1, that's the length of 4. So just by Pythagoras, r squared, the radius squared, equals 4 squared plus 2 squared, which is 20. R squared is 20. The right hand side needs to be r squared, so that's 20. Now for part B, find an equation of the tangent to the circle at the point A and give it your answer in this format. So we need the tangent here. So first things first, what is the gradient of the radius? Well, that is the y step over the x step, so the 4 over 2, which is 2, but it's going downhill, so that's minus 2. So that's the gradient of the radius. Now the gradient of the tangent is perpendicular to the radius, so how do we work out that gradient? Well, we flip the minus 2 over and change the sign, giving us a gradient of a half. Now we're now going to use the equation of a line formula, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. We know the gradients are half. x1, y1 is any point on the line. Well, the point we know is point A, where x is 4, y is minus 5. So y minus minus 5 equals a half x minus the 4. Obviously y minusing a minus 5 is y plus 5. So y plus 5 equals a half x minus 4. Now you could do the claw here, but I think it's almost easiest just to multiply through by 2 at this point. So left hand side we get 2y plus 10, and then multiplying by 2 undoes the half, so it just leaves us with the x minus 4. Now I've chosen to take it all over to the right hand side, so I've taken away a 2y and taken away a 10 from both sides. So I've got 0 equals x minus 2y minus 14, or in other words, x minus 2y minus 14 equals 0.